Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a XTB Trading account. And today I will show you exactly how we can do this, and we can do this by going to xtb.com, and then from here we click here on create account. Then right now we just fill in our email address, so let's do this email address. Then from here we do, I hereby declare that I have been informed that my personal data will be processed for a purpose of performance of agreement. Then we do next step. And then right now create a password. And then we do next step. Then we need to fill in all the details right here. And then we do next step when we did all the steps from here. Then right now we fill in our street and all the info that they need. Then we can enter a referral code that we received from someone, but we don't have that. And we select the language. So we do English and then we click on next step. And then right here, you need to give them answer to the questions. And please do this carefully because this is a security process from XTB Trading to check if you are allowed and won't trade with a lot of risk. So do this carefully. Then we do next step. And then we need to give them answers again. Then we do next step again after filling everything in correctly. And then you need to give them a declaration of a politically exposed person. Now I'm not. Then I also select the three things right here, but please read them good because maybe there are things that you don't like. So please be careful. And then after that, we click here on this one and then we do next step again. And now thank you for registering with XTB. So right now we just created our account on XTB. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.